Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC aspirants. In today's video, we'll delve into the art of effective essay writing, a crucial skill for success in the UPSC exams. Essay writing is an integral part of the UPSC exams. It assesses your ability to express your thoughts clearly, analyze complex issues, and provide well-structured arguments. Let's explore valuable tips and strategies to help you master the art of essay writing. Students can brainstorm ideas and organize their thoughts for an essay. First, let's understand the importance of effective essay writing. Communication skills. Essay writing allows you to communicate your ideas and arguments in a structured and coherent manner. It showcases your ability to express your thoughts effectively. Critical thinking. Essay writing requires critical thinking skills to analyze different perspectives, form logical arguments, and support them with relevant evidence. It helps you develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Narrator. Now, let's explore some techniques for crafting effective essays. Understand the question. Thoroughly analyze the essay prompt to understand its requirements. Identify the key elements and determine the scope of the essay. This clarity will guide your writing process. Plan and outline. Before you start writing, create a well-structured outline. It helps you organize your thoughts, establish a logical flow, and ensure coherence in your essay. To excel in essay writing, consider these additional techniques. Strong introduction. Begin your essay with a compelling introduction that grabs the reader's attention and provides a clear thesis statement. Set the tone for your essay and outline the main points you'll be discussing. Clear and concise writing. Use clear and concise language to convey your ideas effectively. Avoid excessive jargon and use appropriate vocabulary. Make sure your sentences and paragraphs flow smoothly. To further enhance your essay writing skills, consider these tips. Proofreading and editing. Allocate sufficient time for proofreading and editing your essay. Check for grammatical errors, punctuation, and sentence structure. Ensure your essay is coherent and free from typos. Practice timed writing. Practice writing essays within time constraints to simulate exam conditions. This helps you improve your speed, develop time management skills, and ensure you complete your essay on time. By incorporating these techniques into your essay writing practice, you'll be able to craft compelling, well-structured essays that demonstrate your analytical abilities and enhance your chances of success in the UPSC exams. If you have any questions about essay writing or need guidance on specific essay topics, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective reading strategies to enhance your general knowledge.